In the vast universe of cybersecurity, information gathering stands as a sentinel, a watchful protector. This crucial first step is the key to understanding the landscape of a system, its strengths, and its vulnerabilities. It's like a chess player studying the board, assessing risks, planning strategies, and predicting the adversary's moves. In the realm of cybersecurity, gathering information helps to identify possible weak points in a system's armor. It allows us to anticipate potential threats and to devise robust strategies to secure our systems. Today, we are going to focus on an essential tool for this process, an information gathering tool in the Kali Linux environment. This tool is a powerful ally in our quest to understand and safeguard our cyber world. So, without any further ado, let's delve into the world of Kali Linux and its powerful information gathering tool. Kali Linux, a name synonymous with cybersecurity. But what exactly is it? Well, Kali Linux is a specialized distribution of the Linux operating system, designed with cybersecurity professionals in mind. It's essentially a toolbox for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and network security assessments. Kali Linux is unique because it comes preloaded with over 600 penetration testing tools, including Wireshark, Nmap, and Aircrack-ONG. These tools aid in various tasks like information gathering, vulnerability analysis, wireless attacks, and more. But why is Kali Linux a preferred choice for many cybersecurity professionals? It's simple. Its wide range of integrated tools, the ability to customize, and its supportive community makes it a robust platform for conducting comprehensive security audits. Now that we have a basic understanding of Kali Linux, it's time to explore its information gathering tool. In the next segment, we'll delve deeper into using this tool to gather and analyze data effectively. Information gathering isn't a task, it's an art. And Kali Linux gives you the perfect paintbrush. This paintbrush, my friends, is the information gathering tool ingrained in the Kali Linux system. But what does it do, you ask? In essence, it's like a detective. It hunts down and collects useful data about your target network. This could be anything from open ports and services to user habits and even potential vulnerabilities. The tool serves as your eye in the cyber world, providing a detailed overview of your target's digital footprint. It's like having a bird's eye view of a labyrinth before stepping inside. This way, you're not walking in blind. You know what to expect, where to go, and what to avoid. The information gathering tool is your first step in planning an effective cybersecurity strategy. Now that we have a grasp on what this tool can do, let's learn how to use it. The power of Kali Linux is at your fingertips. Let's learn how to harness it. The information gathering tool on Kali Linux is a powerful asset in your cybersecurity toolkit, and using it is simpler than you might think. Let's break it down into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1 is to launch Kali Linux. Upon opening the application, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Applications menu, located at the top left corner of the screen. In the second step, we dive into the Applications menu where you'll find several options. Look for and click on Information Gathering. This will open a drop-down menu with various tools, all designed to gather data in different ways. Thirdly, you'll need to select the appropriate tool for your task. For instance, if you want to gather information about a particular website, you might use a tool like The Harvester. This tool gathers emails, subdomains, hosts, employee names, open ports, and banners from different public sources. Step 4 involves running the selected tool. For example, to run The Harvester, you would open the terminal and type theharvester.targetwebsite.com b Google. This command tells the tool to search for data related to targetwebsite.com, quote, using the Google search engine. In the fifth step, you'll analyze the data that the tool returns. This could be a list of emails associated with the target website or perhaps a list of subdomains. This information could potentially reveal security vulnerabilities or provide insight into the target's digital footprint. Finally, remember to always use these tools responsibly. Information gathering is a powerful technique, but it should be used ethically and within the confines of the law. With these steps, you've learned how to use the information gathering tool on Kali Linux effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these tools, the more comfortable and proficient you'll become. So go ahead, Open up Kali Linux and start exploring the world of information gathering. It's a vast and fascinating realm, with endless opportunities for learning and discovery. Information gathering is a vital cog in the machinery of cybersecurity, and now you're well equipped to handle it. As we've navigated through this enlightening journey, we've explored how integral information gathering is to the realm of cybersecurity. It's the foundation upon which all cyber defense strategies are built, and without it, we'd be navigating a labyrinth in the dark. We started by understanding the significance of information gathering and how it helps in identifying potential vulnerabilities, assessing threats, and fortifying defenses. It's not just about collecting data, but about analyzing it, understanding it, and using it to anticipate potential cyber threats. Then, we dove into the world of Kali Linux, a powerhouse for any cybersecurity enthusiast. This open-source Linux distribution is a treasure trove of tools and utilities, each designed with a specific purpose in mind. It's a platform that offers a world of possibilities for those willing to explore it. Our focus then shifted to the information gathering tool, a remarkable utility within Kali Linux. We learned about its features, its capabilities, and how it can be a game changer in the field of cybersecurity. But understanding a tool is one thing, effectively using it is another. And that's exactly what we did next. We took a deep dive into the practical aspects of using the information gathering tool on Kali Linux. From installation to operation, we covered it all. Now, you're not just aware of this tool, but also capable of using it to your advantage. But don't let your learning stop here. There are countless tools and utilities on Kali Linux waiting to be explored. And remember, practice is the key. The more you use these tools, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for being with us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the BP Coding YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are in the description. Keep learning, keep growing.